Hi everybody, we just wanted to give you some tips today that we use on our truck. Hope a lot of you guys are getting to the point where you need a big box truck. As you can see, it goes all the way back. We have just emptied it out from a job, a home that sold, and so all of that's back in our warehouse. This is a 26-foot box truck and it comes in so handy, but I want to give you some tips. We bought these storage baskets and they help hold some loose items that otherwise would be rolling all around the truck. We have our plastic wrap that we wrap our upholstery furniture in. We have this larger size. Whoa, sorry. And we have the smaller size and it has a handle on it, makes it easier to use. And then we bought these wrap handles from Uline that they go on either end, and so they're spinning when you're going around. It actually spins the wrap for you and it really saves your hands. Then we have bed risers, which is always great if you don't have a platform bed or a bed that has everything, the panels all the way around it. Then these are great. You can lift your bed and make it feel more luxurious and make it feel larger. We always have a toolbox on every single trip and job. And then on occasion, we need a socket set, so we have that. And then we have our cleaning bin. It has multiple cleaning items in this, and steamers and things like that. Every job gets a vacuum cleaner and 2 different sizes of ladders depending on how high the ceilings are and if we had to do like tall bookshelves or something like that. And then a great trick that we have is that each stager and logistics team member, we have our tool belts. Just has the essentials of what we need to hang. And I can go through more on that in a different video. And it just straps around, makes it very handy to have everything right there. Then those are just strapped on to one of the side rails of the truck. And we have an extra long level here. And we have that's clipped on, and that's if we're having to make a lot of doing a lot of hanging art, and we can line that up. On this side of the truck, we have another storage basket. We keep our paper towels and most importantly, the toilet paper. We keep that in here, and we don't keep it in the cleaning bin because they were getting all tangled out. So we keep those here, and we always have sliders with us. On occasion, if there's furniture that's heavy that needs to be moved, and slip sliders under the feet. And then we have the Dimpa bags here because we store our bedding in Dimpa bags from IKEA, so those are awesome. We have all of our moving blankets for a job that we would need here, and we have 2 dollies. So that keeps everything moving very quickly with multiple guys on our logistics team and get the job done efficiently. So hope this helped to see some of the tricks and tips that we have on our truck for you guys.